Spy in the Middle East, secret U.S. military operations with MH-53 helicopters. U.S. military operations in the Middle East have taken center stage in global politics over the past few decades. In this context, the MH-53 military helicopter, known as the Sea Dragon, has become one of the key assets in the U.S. military strategy in the region. These helicopters not only demonstrate the technological superiority of the American military, but also play an important role in various missions involving rescue, special forces delivery, convoy escort, and reconnaissance and monitoring. One of the primary roles of the MH-53 in military operations in the Middle East is in rescue missions. In emergency or conflict situations, these helicopters can be relied upon to evacuate troops trapped in hard-to-reach areas, keeping U.S. personnel and their allies safe. The MH-53's speed, carrying capacity, and maneuverability make it an ideal choice for such emergency situations. Not only as a rescue tool, the MH-53 is also used in Special Forces delivery missions. Special operations often require an unusual and fast approach, and these helicopters provide an ideal platform for smuggling special forces into enemy territory. The large cargo carrying capability allows troops to be deployed quickly and efficiently at strategic locations, enabling the U.S. to launch operational actions with maximum surprise and effectiveness. Convoy escort and logistics delivery is also an integral part of U.S. military operations in the Middle East. In dangerous and unstable terrain, such as in Iraq or Afghanistan, convoy escort and logistics delivery are crucial. MH-53s provide vital air support in protecting convoys and securing logistics delivery routes, helping to ensure supplies to U.S. forces and their partners. In addition, the MH-53 is also used for reconnaissance and monitoring missions. With advanced onboard equipment, these helicopters can provide critical information on enemy activity and terrain conditions. This information supports better tactical decision-making, allowing the U.S. to anticipate enemy movements and plan an effective response. However, while the MH-53 has proven to be a valuable asset in military operations in the Middle East, it cannot be ignored that its use also involves significant risks. These helicopters are vulnerable to enemy attacks, both from the ground and the air. Therefore, the U.S. continues to innovate in technology development to enhance the capabilities and safety of the MH-53, ensuring that it remains a reliable asset in maintaining security and stability in this challenging region.